Hey guys! Are you want to buy best dual action polishers? Then you are on the right place. Our today's video is about top 5 best dual action polishers that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Makita Brushless Cordless Dual Action Polisher. Can't decide between a cordless and corded polisher? The Makita Brushless Cordless Dual Action Polisher gives you both. Powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, which is part of the Makita 18-volt system and works with other power tools, you'll get 2 power modes. One is a high-powered corded power designed for correcting flaws, and the other is a low-powered setting with extended runtime for longer polishing. Either way, you'll get up to 780 RPM and up to 6,800 OPM with this powerful tool. The cordless design eliminates the hassles that come with power cords without limiting you. And the high-capacity brushless motor operates with less heat and better efficiency. With all of the power and performance of this dual-action polisher, there's one big disadvantage. It's expensive. It does offer good value, however, and it's meant to last for years of regular use. Now our second product is Ryobi One Plus Variable Speed Dual Action Polisher. When it comes to your budget and getting good value for your money, the Ryobi One Plus Dual Action Polisher is a great pick. This tool is affordably priced, but it also packs plenty of versatility as part of the Ryobi One Plus system, which allows you to swap a single rechargeable battery between more than 260 cordless power tools. You can use the cordless battery with any One Plus power tool, and you'll get up to 2 hours of runtime per charge with this dual action polisher. Additionally, this affordable option is rich with features. Its dual-action design reduces heat while operating, and you can opt for any speed between 3,000 and 7,500 OPM. Extras, such as a slide lock that allows for continuous polishing and the addition of non-marring bumpers, make your job even easier. The biggest downside with this polisher is the noise level. It's pretty loud, which isn't surprising due to its affordable price. Additionally, you may not want to rely heavily on the manual, as users say it's not very helpful or explanatory. Our third product is Milwaukee Fuel Brushless Cordless Polisher. The Milwaukee Fuel Brushless Cordless Polisher gives you cordless detailing power, all without sacrificing any power, efficiency, or speed control. It's a heavy-duty, high-powered tool that delivers just like a corded model but with no tangling or plugs required. This 7-inch dual-action polisher is powered by a rechargeable lithium-ion battery, and it uses Milwaukee's M18 battery, which can be swapped between power tools. You'll get plenty of power with up to 2,200 RPM, variable speed dial and trigger, and a locking on/off switch. The polisher adjusts its power automatically as you ramp up the speed. And you'll be able to complete your entire car on just one battery charge. However, you'll have to purchase the rechargeable battery separately. Additionally, it is about a pound heavier than other, lighter cordless polishing tools. Now number 4, Buffer Polisher Waxer. A buffer polisher waxer is an indispensable tool for car enthusiasts and professionals aiming to maintain a vehicle's shine and protect its paintwork. This multifunctional device is designed to polish, buff, and wax surfaces, ensuring a smooth and glossy finish. Modern buffers come with variable speed controls, allowing precision for tasks like gentle waxing or heavy-duty polishing. They typically feature ergonomic designs, such as dual handles or lightweight builds, to reduce user fatigue during extended sessions. Pads made from foam, wool, or microfiber enhance versatility, accommodating various surface needs. Performance-wise, a good buffer eliminates scratches, oxidation, and swirl marks efficiently. Its oscillating or rotary motion ensures even product distribution without the risk of paint damage, common with manual application. Many models also include a heat management system to prevent overheating during prolonged use. Ideal for cars, boats, and furniture, a buffer polisher waxer is a time-saving and cost-effective tool that delivers professional-grade results, elevating both aesthetics and surface durability. And our last choice is Iron Fist Cordless Car Polisher. Iron Fist Cordless Car Buffer Polisher cordless design gives you the freedom to work. You can charge at any time and work anywhere. The eccentric shaft design of our polishing machine keeps the pad never always working on the same spot even if you don't move the machine during use. 6-inch 150mm throw orbit makes the force evener and the polishing area larger. The car buffer polisher has a speed range adjusting from 750 RPM to 6800 RPM. You can change it freely for different materials and applications to have your polishing job perfectly without any worries. Brushless motor of the portable car polisher have great efficiency and longer service life. Cordless polisher makes off-site jobs easier, gives freedom to roam. And it will not scratch paint since it is battery-powered. The car polisher with front multi-grip position design, D-handle, side handle, tool front grip position, applies to all the positions or angles and put the lock button easy operating with no fatigue, rubber grip increased better tool control and comfort when polishing. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.